Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 28th of February, Friday, last day of February, and today was another good day in the markets. Pretty much opened in line right here, and the market just started creeping higher, and after a little pullback, a little higher again. So definitely very interesting on the day. We did two trades and pulled out 7.25 points. Excuse me there. Pulled out a 7.25 points on the day. Our first trade happened right over here. We got long, and we were able to ride that up quite a bit, and taking profit up into this region here. Kind of watched price chop around a little bit. Got long again over here, but took profits pretty quickly on it. And then we can see that price did come down and then went straight back up. So very interesting on the day, but 7.25 points, definitely a very nice day. And that's why I talk about consistency all the time as a trader, because if you're making 1 point each day or 2 points each day, and then all of a sudden you have a 7, 10, 15 point day, that's going to be a marvelous month. If you're losing money every single day, you're losing 3 points, 4 points here. When you make 7 points, it's just breaking in a little bit of your losses, so you're still down money. And that's why being consistently profitable is very important. You might make 1 point in one day. You'll spend 2.5, 4 hours, however long you spend trading. I spend 2.5 hours each day trading. I obviously spend a little bit more time analyzing the markets before I trade and after I trade, but I spend actually 2.5 hours trading every day, and at least day trading the ES is concerned. So spending 2.5 hours, making 1 point, yeah, that's not really good. I mean, it's better than losing a point for sure, but it's not great. Make $50 minus commission, so like $46 or whatever your commission is, and the next day you might lose a point, so then you've lost money because of commission. So you do want to at least be consistent. Make 1 point each day, and you might make a 5 point day. So you have 4 days where you make a point, and then 1 day where you make 5 points. That's not a bad week. A fantastic month is when you're making 60 to 80 points in a month. That's a really good month. And obviously making a 200 point month is better, but trading for only 2.5 hours a day, that's a little unrealistic as 200 points. So you want to be realistic inside of your trading plan, and you also want to be set up for success. So that way you can take your best setups. If you're only trading a limited time, you want to take your best setups. And you really have to be okay with that. You have some setups that may work out, may not. You have other setups that are even better. So you have to decide what you want to do and what is best for you. But I think the way I trade, having that consistency definitely does pay off. And today we made 7.25 points, and it definitely just adds to our total, and just gives you massive confidence going into the following month. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about today. I know I rambled a little bit, but that's how I like to do these videos, off the cuff, just talk, and I do get great feedback off of them. But if you feel that any comments or feedback, you can definitely email me directly if you don't want to put it under the video. support@businesswithtrading.com. There's no such thing as a dumb question or bad comment. If you want to give me some constructive criticism, that's definitely encouraged. I like any comment. Obviously, if you're cussing me out, that's not constructive criticism. But we're all adults, and we know what constitutes constructive criticism. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about. Always, you can leave comments below the video if you want. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you back here next week in the markets. Thank you.